This stunning two-story home sits in the heart of MacArthur Heights, within 2 minutes drive to MacArthur Station, shops and UWS. Welcome home. This kitchen will bring out the master chef in you with a quartz stone benchtop, 6-burner gas cooktop, stainless steel appliances, which leads on to this butler's pantry with own gas cooktop. This one is an absolute dream. Coming on from the living area, this stunning entertainment area is perfect for family barbecues, so everyone can sit down, relax and enjoy. Guys, look forward to seeing you at my next open home.